Healthy kale dishes. Kale has become one of the most popular vegetables in the health and wellness community, and for good reason. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, kale offers a wide range of health benefits. This leafy green is not only delicious, but easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes, making it a versatile ingredient for healthy meals. One popular way to enjoy kale is in a salad. A simple kale salad can be made by massaging the leaves with olive oil and lemon juice, then topping it with your favorite vegetables and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. The crunchiness of kale adds a great texture to the salad, while its earthy flavor pairs well with other fresh ingredients. Another fantastic way to incorporate kale into your diet is through smoothies. By blending kale with fruits like bananas, berries, and oranges, you can create a nutritious and vibrant drink. Kale adds a powerful punch of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins to your smoothies, making them an excellent choice for a quick and healthy breakfast or snack. For those who enjoy warm meals, kale can be sautéed or stir-fried with other vegetables and protein sources. Its sturdy texture holds up well to cooking, and it easily absorbs flavors from the other ingredients in the dish. To make a healthy stir-fry, simply sauté kale with garlic, ginger, and your choice of proteins, such as tofu, chicken, or shrimp. Add in your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and mushrooms, and serve over a bed of brown rice or quinoa for a complete and satisfying meal. Kale can also be used to make delicious and nutritious soups. Whether you prefer a creamy kale and potato soup or a hearty kale and bean soup, there are plenty of recipes available to suit your taste. Soups are a great way to enjoy kale during colder months, as they provide warmth and comfort while still delivering a dose of vital nutrients. In addition to these traditional methods of preparation, kale can also be used as a substitute for less healthy ingredients. For instance, instead of using tortillas for wraps, you can use large kale leaves. Fill them with your favorite proteins, veggies, and a healthy sauce or hummus, and you have a nutritious and low-carb alternative to classic wraps. Kale chips are another popular way to enjoy this leafy green. By simply tossing kale leaves with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and seasonings of your choice, and baking them in the oven until crispy, you can create a delicious and guilt-free snack. Kale chips are a fantastic option for those looking to satisfy their cravings for a crispy snack while still sticking to their healthy eating goals. Last but not least, kale can be blended into pesto sauce. By replacing or complementing the traditional basil with kale, you can create a vibrant and nutrient-rich pesto. Use it as a condiment for pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or drizzle it over roasted vegetables for a burst of delicious flavor. In conclusion, kale is a versatile and nutrient-dense vegetable that can be incorporated into a wide range of healthy dishes. Whether enjoyed in salads, smoothies, stir-fries, soups, wraps, chips, or pesto, kale offers a variety of ways to add more nutrition to your diet. So go ahead, embrace the kale craze, and start experimenting with new and exciting recipes that make the most of this incredible leafy green. I hope this information on healthy kale dishes was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. And for more topics and information on kale, kale recipes, kale healthy eating, and kale diets, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life.